How to post poll results on Instagram story. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can post poll results on Instagram story. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, head over to your story where you have posted a poll. So here I have added a poll. Now to view the results of this poll, swipe up and there is your results. Now to share these results, tap on the share results button and now you have your results on your story. All you have to do is simply tap on share at the bottom left corner and with that your poll results will be added in your Instagram story. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.